Dating back to the Cold War, space exploration has been a function of the federal government. The creation of NASA set the precedent for government oversight and funding of space missions.
That may be true, but just because that's the way it was always done doesn't mean it's the right path going forward.
So one thing I learned in this honor seminar is that it's really important to set boundaries and to understand the importance of communication and actually addressing your partner.
Something I learned was what I thought would be obvious, that communication is key in relationships, but how much it really impacts every single one we have. And we talked about how it's important in friendships, romantic relationships, and even in the family, and it was really helpful.